Alright, this is the demo for the eDispatches app. We'll start by opening up your app. It should immediately take you to your dashboard screen with all your latest alerts and my alerts. You can also get to this page by clicking on the top left from the menu bar and clicking dashboard. If you click the one with the bell, that takes you to an audio alert. And if you click the one with the lightning bolt, that takes you to the CAD alert. You will receive two separate alerts for each call. If Firecom doesn't send out a CAD text page, then you'll only get the audible alert. So you can see in my alerts, you can go to your latest alerts for that specific field, whether it's all call, east, or west. Going back up into the menu, if you click on audio alerts, you'll get only the ones that are audible alerts. And this is a 30-second recording of the dispatch. If you go to CAD messaging, you'll see all the CAD alerts. And those are all the alerts that Firecom has sent out. If you click on a CAD alert, this is your information that you're going to receive. You have location, station, basic information. We're not using the response settings for it. That's for people responding to the scene or more volunteer departments. Streaming is not live yet. It will be live once I get the Toro repeater set up. If you go to map it, you'll have your address. You click map it and it takes you to that location. You're going to follow get directions if you choose to, if you want to get into your actual driving directions. We are working with Firecom on getting the cities to be updated to be correct. They're going to try and give us a lat long in our text feed, which then eDispatches will be able to write a script for us so that we receive the actual city address. Right now everything's coming in as Salinas, California. So right there I just demonstrated the steps that you could take to actually map it as if you were in a car going on a trip somewhere. So backing out all those screens, go back to our drop down menu. Again, you could click on streaming. You won't see anything there for now. Keaton's phone just got a notification, so you can dismiss it, but that's how they'll come in on your screen if you set it up that way. Availability, if we can clean this up, we might be using it for availability for strike teams because it's pretty quick, but that's kind of in a demo mode. Under settings, you'll find probably the most important one is your on and off duty toggle. So when you go off duty, if you don't want any alerts, you can turn this off. When you come back on duty, you can turn it on. If you go into edit settings, you can select specific fields. For example, the all call. For right now, the text is going to be off. We're working on trying to figure out how to make that work, maybe in vibration mode. But you would go into the app. If you wanted to turn off the all call, you'd turn off the enable. And there's blackout settings if you don't want to be notified during certain time periods. Same thing for the CAD. You can go into the app, you can enable it or disable it. So if you're on the west side working, you don't want to hear the east side or vice versa. You can set it to your liking. Sounds, a variety of sounds to receive when you get an alert. It is best to leave your phone in sound mode when using this app.